Are you tired of watching others cash in on simple print-on-demand stores while you're stuck figuring out what actually works? Well, I recently stumbled upon a digital goldmine called Mug Moguls, and let me tell you, this thing might just be the easiest way to create passive income from home without inventory, design skills, or tech headaches. Check out the link in the description and pinned comment to grab Mug Moguls if you're ready to get started today. Now, let's dive into what this program is really all about. What is Mug Moguls? So, what is Mug Moguls? It's a step-by-step digital program that shows you exactly how to build and scale a profitable print-on-demand mug business from scratch, even if you've never sold anything online before. It's created by people who have actually made a fortune doing this. And the genius of it? You don't need to hold inventory, ship anything, or even design mugs yourself. They walk you through everything. Choosing a niche, uploading designs, setting up your storefront, and letting the print-on-demand platform handle the rest. Who is Mug Moguls for? This is perfect for stay-at-home parents, side hustlers looking for extra cash, beginners who've tried and failed before, or anyone who wants a low-risk, high-potential online business. If you've got a laptop and internet connection, you're ready to roll. Now, is it a magic button that prints money overnight? No. But if you can follow simple instructions and stick with it, this can absolutely become your first real stream of online income. What's inside the program? Here's a peek inside the Mug Moguls members area. Over-the-shoulder video training that guides you from zero to your first store. Pre-made templates and tools to speed things up. How to find winning mug ideas that sell year-round. How to list your products on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. Scaling secrets to take your sales from a trickle to a flood. Honestly, the best part is how no design skills are needed. They show you how to use AI or ready-made templates so you can launch even if you're not creative. Realistic expectations and results. Now let's keep it real. Will you make thousands overnight? Probably not. But many students have made their first sale within days or weeks of launching their shop. And once you start getting traction, the model is scalable because the fulfillment is automated. You're not trading time for money, and once your mug designs are live, they can keep selling over and over again. Final thoughts. So if you're tired of wasting time on overhyped side hustles that never work out, if you want a simple, proven way to start earning online without dealing with customers, shipping, or tech headaches, then go ahead and click the link in the description and pinned comment to grab Mug Moguls and start building your print-on-demand income today.